My name is Melissa Lesh, and this is a glimpse of an experience as an SCA intern at Moosehorn National Wildlife Refuge. Through my eyes. And the journey begins at Rachel Carson National Wildlife Refuge. It was a quick week, jam-packed with salt marsh surveying, kayaking, laughs, good conversations, New England cottontail habitat restoration, and many unexpected adventures.
A painting noise, and then they do the flights, and then that's females make the males will make a cackle noise if they get some competition on the singing for doing the flights, and then the females make a little bit of a noise if they find a brood or something.
Yeah, I'm just surprised by the restraint that it has to do with right now.
Most of them are pretty calm.
Yeah, some birds are surprisingly calm.
It is here where woodcock are trapped, banded, sexed, aged, and then released. After our bodies adjusted to waking up at 3:30 a.m., we helped the biotechs with brood surveys. This is when we observe to see how many baby ducks and geese there are in any given area on the refuge. In some of the survey spots, we climb spruce trees, where we sit up on 30-foot platforms and watch for broods and other wildlife. All creatures are sustained directly or indirectly by the most fundamental source of energy, plants. In order to keep these beautiful creatures thriving, we maintain their natural habitats by removing non-native, invasive plants such as purple loosestrife, spotted knapweed, and Phragmites. In addition, we have been working vigorously to remove 2 invasive species from Europe and Asia, the common and glossy buckthorn. Since these plants have grown beyond what we can pull by hand, And it is essential to remove the root systems. We use a tool called a weed wrench. After removal, we burn them to ensure that the buckthorn does not continue to spread and distribute its seeds. Working with invasive species, the bottomless can of worms that they are, can be very discouraging. This is why I've started a project of my own this summer to promote native species through seed bombs. These contain native wildflower seeds, compost, and red clay. Once they're dry, they can be dispersed in any empty lot or yard, requiring only the rain to grow and transforming a barren landscape into wildlife-supporting habitat. These specific seed bombs I've made, 621 to be exact, will be given to the public, spreading awareness on native species and habitat conservation. On the Edmonds Division, we conduct culvert surveys. These are done by taking measurements and GPS points of every water passage, improving our knowledge on stream and fish connectivity.
16 meters!
Duck and goose banding is a project that takes place in late summer. We collect information on the birds' populations, migration patterns, and also test them for bird flu. And this is how it's done. Don't worry, no ducks were harmed in the process. The important thing to remember here, as well as with a lot of other work, is that it may seem invasive or harmful on the immediate level, but when you step back and look at the bigger picture, it is this information we are gaining that helps us benefit these species. And now, as the summer comes to an end and I glance back at all of the work we've done here, I can only smile and be grateful to have been given this experience. For that, I would like to thank the Student Conservation Association, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and everybody here at Moosehorn National Wildlife Refuge. Thank you.
Well, I set out all by myself to try and change the world. And I took a breath and I felt strong and I'm not too far to go. How you doing? Maybe you have some time and will you join us please? It is good for you, it is good for all, it is good for all the trees. What we're doing is trying to save ourselves before it gets too late. As we grow, we're destroying everything, but it don't have to be our fate, 'cause it's all that we create.